Wallace is going to come under fire. I believe the debate commission is going to come under fire. Well, hopefully, Cleveland will at least get credit for having been able to stage an event that, if not was enlightening, at least was peaceful and no major episode or incidents outside that I'm aware of.
As a political reporter and analyst in Ohio, there were a few mentions of the state.
Yes, right. And a lot of people would, if in fact it's true and not hyperbole, the president basically took credit for bringing Big Ten football back on the field as well. He did have a meeting, or he did have some phone calls, or at least a phone call that was reported with the Big Ten officialdom, and who knows how much leverage or influence he had in that. But I think the Big Ten officials were loath to give him absolute credit, and were claiming that they were just reacting to new scientific information.
There were some moments when former Vice President Joe Biden attempted to look into the camera and speak directly to the American people. Do you think that was a smart strategy, and maybe the few moments where he did that and wasn't interrupted, that could have some kind of an impact?
Well, again, I think his objective was to appear presidential, in control, and capable, and not over the hill. I think to a certain extent, in the middle of all of that babble and chaos, I think when he did have the opportunity to try to make a particular point on several important subjects, he did. But I don't see that there was any single thing in this debate that would necessarily, certainly not flip a Trump voter to Biden, or a Biden voter to Trump.